Hey guys, quick presentation today, but we've been talking a lot about how to be ethical in our practice and how to make the right decisions and how to know what is right. So, something that is helpful with all of that is determining your own moral compass. So, that's what we're going to do today. First, let's discuss what is a moral compass. A moral compass is basically a consistent belief system that guides your action in every situation. It's that inner guide that keeps you going in the right direction. It can be developed and utilized, so it can change over time and become more clear. It allows you to feel what is right and wrong. It's that inner alarm for when you are doing something wrong. It's our means of testing reality and truth, and it is internal and unique to every individual. So I could hand out a moral compass for you to all follow, but it's important to determine what your unique moral compass is so that you can let it guide you in every situation. It is important to have one, so here are some reasons why. You will gain a purpose that directs your life. It will make your behavior consistent and improve your relationships. Society actually benefits from you developing your own moral compass because you will begin to do things that are better for the society around you. You'll improve your own confidence and sense of self-worth. You'll inspire others to follow in your example, and society does continue to benefit as you help someone else to follow in this way. It'll increase your ability to sustain long-term relationships, and last, it'll increase your ability to put the needs of others in front of your own. So I thought I would give an example of my own moral compass. And honestly, I have too many items on my moral compass. Realistically, you will have 2 or 3, maybe 4 things that kind of guide you in every situation, and 2 or 3 or 4 values that you kind of fall back on in every situation, but many of mine that I included are related and very similar. The first thing I included was honesty and authenticity. So like I said, those two are very similar. Next, I included respect. It's also important to me to have excellence in everything that I do. I want to do it well. I also put integrity, and what I mean by that is all of these things that I value, I want to uphold them in every situation. So in my personal life, my private life, and my public life, and my professional life, I want to be the same in all spheres. I want to be truthful in who I am. So again, this goes with honesty and authenticity. I want to uphold compassion, no matter if I'm dealing with my dearest friends or someone that I disagree with. And I want to be fair with everyone just the same. So this is my own moral compass. If I had to pick just a few, I think I would go with honesty, fairness, and compassion. It is hard to narrow it down, but if you want something that you're coming back to when you're really facing hard decisions, you don't want to have a huge list to navigate. You want just a few things that will kind of anchor you in difficult situations. So I created a worksheet for everyone to fill out, and I want you to spend a few minutes reflecting. What values are most important to you? What values do you want to guide you as you set out to be a moral teacher this year, and as you set out to be a moral friend and family member this year? I hope that you found this beneficial and that you spend some time reflecting and gain some insight about who you are and who you hope to be.